Oh, got one. Whoa, bro. Whoa. Gotta be a guaranteed one over here, bro.
Maybe with the worm.
What?
Maybe with the worm.
What are you calling the worm?
Nah, like a little crawl.
Good luck, buddy.
I'm trying to go big or go home right now.
Finally, after like 7 years, you listen.
That's what happens when you introduce me to the drop magnet first.
True.
I have a feeling if you throw it back there into this little under this tree, there's one definitely in there. Oh, right there. Oh, something just smacked me.
Oh!
Oh, I told you there's one in there. I just got smacked over here too. Go back in.
Go, go, go.
Oh shit, that's bad, that's bad. Oh no, I'm never getting,
Hold on.
I'm never getting that back. Wow, I can't believe it must have been a small one. Ooh. Oh,
Nice, budgie.
you on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I have mine too. Oh wow, Jesus Christ, this guy is so small.
Nice.
Yee-gee-gee.
Let's try that one more.
One more. Okay.
I might have to throw top water now. Oh, I got one on the buzzbait. Nice.
Your camera's on?
Yeah.
Nice.
Little guy, dude. Half the size of the bait.
Wow. Yo, that's crazy. Good shit.
Nice. Just tied it on, literally. That's crazy.
That is crazy. Oh, I made like the perfect cast.
Right there, oh my god.
Nice. Nice. That same fish, little guy, but you got him.
That's so funny.
I just caught that on camera too.
Perfect.
He caught it when he was in the buzzbait was underneath too. Wasn't even on the top of the water. Such a little guy. Look at the black spot on his tail.
This is what you call savage. Like in half his size.
That black, is that something he's been, somebody's been,
oh,
no, that's just a black spot. That's cool.
Oh, wow.
That's funny. Literally caught it when it was in the water.
Whoa, you see that fish? Look at the fish on the channel, bro. Look at the channel. Dude, did you see that? Oh my God. Bro, there was like a crazy freaking ambush in the channel. Oh, got a good one, bro. Got a good one. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Told you the top water it is. Where was he?
Dude, right underneath this little thing right here.
Nice.
Right in the top.
Perfect hook set. Nice. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. A little bit, I mean, obviously not big, but big, a little bit, yeah.
Not even a pounder, I don't think.
Nah.
Still.
Hey, well, it's fun on the top one, on that buzzbait.
Buzzbait, yeah. So that's what we're throwing. Mike loves that buzzbait. We did pretty good last year here. So.
Bye, buddy. Literally right, I threw it like kind of underneath this little tree right here, and he came. I saw him. I literally saw him jut out from the tree. What happened? Oh, got one. Whoa, bro. Whoa. Oh, yeah. What in the F?
Are you kidding me? Nice.
Dude, what?
Dude.
Nice.
What do you think, 2-pounder? You
Definitely.
weigh him?
Nah.
Nah? That's
Nice
a nice
little fish. Good looking fish.
Post spawn. Where was he?
Literally, like, I just made a couple casts along this thing here, and he was just, I slowed it down a little bit.
Killing it.
Killing it today.
Hell yeah.
Good shit.
Good shit. Oh my God.
It was a nice one, buddy. You want to get it off here? So you can do that.
Oh my God, I hooked them so weird. Ooh, nice fish.
Nice.
It was good to get one, another one at least today. Nice, decent one. He literally just came out of all this grass right here. Threw the chatterbait, and I was like, they have to eat this chatterbait today,
bro. That's insane. You were literally like, you know what? I'm gonna go to the chatterbait.
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, nice.
Let's go, baby.
What a day. Reaction strike bites only, it looks like.
Buzzbait killed it. Mike does it again.
Buzzbait, baby.
I came up with 2, which I'm happy with. I wish I would have came up with that second one on the camera, but
Last minute.
it's better than nothing. Better than nothing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll catch you out on the next episode.